All right, a pretty little T120. What year did you say this is?
67.
67. Isn't that pretty? Okay, we just put fresh ignition coils on it because it was only running on one cylinder. It had 12 volt coils, but it needed 6 volt coils because it does have an electronic ignition. So we put 2 new 6 volt coils on it, and we made new spark plug wires while we were at it. So that's nice and neat. And
New plugs.
oh, new plugs, yeah.
Yeah.
And we're now doing the very first start. Now I'm going to say this sucker's going to be one kicker. We're darn close. I mean, let's see what happens here. Got a good tickle.
Yep.
Ignition on.
Tickled it. Yep. And this one likes no throttle.
No throttle, huh?
I love it when you're right.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do a little adjusting on the carburetors. Well, sounds pretty good. Huffing some smoke. But less and less as we run the bike. So we're going to do Kevin's going to do a test ride. Oh, blessed silence. Yeah, it's idling pretty nicely. It's revving nicely. It was blowing some smoke, but it's clearing up the longer we run the bike. So Kevin's going to take it outside and do a test ride.
Shift.
Clutch is not releasing. All right, let's do the adjustment and do it again. All right, we adjusted the clutch throwout on the rod, on the clutch release rod. We adjusted the clearance on that. We have good release when we're kicking it over with the Kickstarter with the clutch lever pulled in. So we should get a good gearing engagement when we start this test ride over. In the meantime, here's our good buddy Steve. He came over to offer administrative help, just in case we needed any additional funding, any contracts whooped up, anything like that. And technical assistance, you can always find us somebody to help. And we're going to start this test ride over. And I'm going to open the gate now. All right. We're going to start over here. Gas on.
He's on. Gas is on.
Carbs are tickled.
Got tickled.
Kevin and I are laughing. And one kicky wicky. Alright, let's see if it goes into gear now. Not a good day.
8 times a charm.
And here we go. I guess this is the 14th try. I swear he's starting out in third gear there. He says that this bike has the shift pattern reversed, whereas it's up for first and down for second, third, fourth, like on a Norton. I'm not totally convinced. He may have just found a false neutral up there between 3rd and 4th. So let's let him go down around the block and see if he comes back and whether or not the shifting is normal or reversed. And why isn't that clutch releasing? It felt good when I pulled the clutch in and kicked it over with the Kickstarter. I mean, it was just free as could be. So these are the joys of doing test rides. Well, here he comes. Still under power. That's always a good thing. This is Steve's fancy ride. Some type of slingshot. It's a beast. All right, so is the shifting normal or backwards?
Yeah, normal. I don't know what.
All right.
Yes, normal.
I know what you almost said.
I know.
Okay, so it's normal.
Normal. Hey, we have a winner.
Is that right?
She's back. Oh, accelerates nicely, no hesitation. Drum brakes. I mean,
okay.
single. So just got to be aware of that. But no, she accelerates nicely, downshifts. I'm a little old for these clubments. That hurt after a while. But if it's at your thing, it's a beautiful bike, runs good. She's ready to go.
Ready to go. All right,
Yep.
good. All right, that was a good test ride.